right? It's our first day of the Java course training. Let we start with some Java introduction, and next we'll move to the JDK installation and also Eclipse installation, right? In that first we'll see for some basic Java introduction. Java, it is a one programming language, right? Normally, why we need a programming language? Programming language helps to simplifying the execution of any task for a multiple cases. That's why we are going to the programming. Normally, what is a program? First, we'll move to the first. Java is one programming language, right? Java is one programming language. Firstly, what is a programming language? Suppose first, what is program? It is a step-by-step execution, or it is a set of instructions. It is set of instructions. Set of instructions. Programming language means we are using one media to write that instructions. Suppose language is one media. By using the language, we are communicating to the others. It will be the Hindi or it will be the Telugu, anything. Like this, programming is also one language which helps to communicate with a program, with a computer. With your computer, one thing it will helps to you, right? Java is one programming language. Java is high level class based. High level class based and object oriented programming language. Programming language. Okay. Java is high level. Normally there are the types in a programming languages: high level language, low level language, middle level language. Low level language is suppose types of languages. Types of languages. Types of languages. In that first one is low level language. Low level language. It is nothing but a which is completely understand by computer only, like a binary language. For example, binary language in the form of zeros and ones. In the form of zeros and ones, like everything will finally converted to the zeros and ones only your computer can understand. And second thing will be the middle level language. In that middle level language, which is completely not understand by computer and by human, which is not completely, which is not completely understand by human and computer. Human and computer. That means suppose for example, c language. For example, like c language we are using the printf, scanf, like that. Not is a complete english net and also not is a binary type also, right? For this binary language example, ASM, assembly level language. Assembly language we are calling as ASM, assembly language. Assembly language, right? And the final one will be the high level language. High level language, which is a completely human readable language. Human readable language. That means suppose nothing but a we have a suppose class is one keyword. It is like a English test, or we can go with the while is one keyword like that based on a English test like that only entire thing system dot out dot println everything looks like a simple English test like that, which is completely understood by the human readable, which is completely understood by a human readable. Okay, right. Java is high level class based object oriented programming now. Class based is nothing but everything will be a class in a Java. What the program you can write is under the one class only you have to write. Class based programming and object oriented programming. Object oriented programming means it is nothing but we have involved by several concepts and the paradigms. Object oriented programming is nothing but one paradigm programming language. Paradigm is one process of programming language. We have different programming language, procedural programming language. Procedural programming language means step by step execution of a line. It was a procedural programming language. Paradigm of the object oriented, based on the objects you have to be execute your program. It will be understand when you are go with the uh, things of oops concept, then it will better understand you. High level, what is a high level means it is which is completely understand by human. Class based means the entire thing you have to write in a Java under one class. And comes to the oops object oriented program means the Java for Java uh, follows the paradigm of the programming structure of oops, that is the Java. When coming to the things and all, another thing is JDK, JVM and JRE. Right. Hmm. Java futures we can see as a Java futures or anything. Where can we use Java and all? Java is normally or nothing but write once, run anywhere. Write once, run anywhere. That means if you write in your one operating system, you can traverse to the another operating system also. It will work. Why? Because in Java, how it will actually run is there are the three terms will be involved. One was the JDK, JVM, and the JRE. JDK, JVM, and the JRE. What are those things are we can see. Normally in the Java futures, what it do is suppose here one term is called bytecode. First, I am telling the what are the terms involved here. Bytecode, right? Bytecode is nothing but a zeros and one code. Simply zeros and one code. Normally, you are writing the human readable language. Suppose, for example, I can take one program as an example. Okay, class normal text structure. Class text will be with a public static void main of a string args. In this I can simply write system dot out dot println, okay, of hello. This is one normal program, but it was in a form of text. But when you are running a program in a computer, it has to be converted to the binary. In that, first we are converting to the byte code. Byte code is nothing but a combination of binaries only. What is a byte? 8 bits combined will be 1 byte. Like that, your byte code will be a zeros and one form of code. Byte code is a zeros and zeros, right? Zeros and ones code. Zeros and ones code. This byte code. That means your compiler translates your byte code to your that means Java code to your byte code. Mm. That means suppose write or write once run anywhere is the term, right? That means you can write in one operating system, you can run in anywhere. Why? Because you are installing on JDK. By that you can changing the commands, you can run it. No need of changing of the lines of the code and all. Write once and run anywhere. It will be the concept. And there are the three terms involved here. The things are JVM, JDK, and JRE. JRE. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. What is that virtual machine means? Normally, imagine it is your one computer. Suppose one computer is there. One computer have one memory, right? Computer have memory, but when you are running a Java programs, the memory not utilized entire thing. Why? Because if the Java programs also use the same utilized memory of your computer, then it will be possible to the memory leakages. And also suppose at a time one memory space try to occupy your computer, suppose system methods and also your Java programming, it will be the collisions will be happen. Instead of that, what your Java do is when you are creating or installing JDK, it will allocates one virtual machine or virtual memory to your Java. That means when you write a code and run your code, it will runs in the particular memory of the code, not sharing with your personal computer memory. Java will create virtual memory to that. Everything, entire thing when you are run, you have to code. The code lies in the memory. That will take over by your JVM. Okay, JVM is the thing. What that JVM? Normally, JVM is like a heart for your entire Java run. JVM is like a entire heart. What your JVM contains is first thing. Translator, which translates the source code to byte code, source code to byte code, and the byte code the byte code runs line by line, or every byte code will be run, or every line of the byte code will be reading and executing the specific hardware, okay, by using the hardware or OS in your system, okay, by using your OS. By using your OS, JVMs are always available on OS. OS is nothing but an operating system. Operating system means Windows is one operating system, Linux is one operating system, Mac is one operating system. Like that, your operating system helps to uh, perform this action. JVM is like one operating system, right? And comes to the JDK, no? Okay, Control C, JDK here, JVRE here. Bytecode is responsible for your running the code, and JRE it provides the environment to run your Java code, and also provide necessary libraries and package. Provide necessary libraries and packages. I'll see that. I'll show that one also. When you are installing your JDK, it will contains another thing. And JDK. JRE means Java Runtime Environment. Java Runtime Environment. And JDK means your Java Development Kit. Java Development. What your JDK will do is JDK provides the development resources for develop Java applications. But comes to here Java programming, your JDK helps to suppose giving like a compiler, suppose giving development resource what it is compiler Java C, we are calling it as Java C compiler. If you observe the thing here, JDK contains JRE, JRE contains JVM. I'll show that one. Wait a minute. Hello, Anna. Copper. సరే స్టీల్ తీసుకొచ్చా ఏది మంచిదో తీసుకో. Right, normally like suppose it is your JRE, it is your JDK. Inside the JDK you have the JRE. It is JRE. Inside your JRE you have JVM. Okay, topmost is JDK. JDK contains JRE. Your JRE contains JVM. Entire thing, the memory management and the resources allocations, all will be happened in the JVM only. JRE providing such type of environment or allocating some memory or what it do. Suppose separate your local memory and your Java allocation memory, like that. And coming to the JDK, providing the compilers and what are the necessary development resources to you when going with the Java applications of the Android development and the Spring Boot and all. The JDK helps you lot when you are connecting with other resources and all. Because of that, right? It is like a kit. Inside a kit you have a JRE, under the JRE you have a JVM, right? This is the thing. And how to install that JDK 11. Here we are downloading the JDK 11. Why? Because after the completion of the Java training, we are moving to that AEM. That AEM can runs on a JDK 11 only. Currently, we are in the JDK 25 version. I think 27 also. But we are still using the JDK 11. Why? Because when we are moving to that AEM, your JDK 11 only support to that. Because that. So how to install that JDK 11? Okay, normally first when you are going to download your JDK 11, first open the command prompt, search for the your system contains Java or not. Okay, your system contains Java or not. Normally my system contains Java, space hyphen version. It will show us which type of Java version I have and all, and runtime environment and development kit. Okay, but I have to show you how to download the JDK 11 and all the things, right? Because of that, what I do, I removing this JDK. How can I remove that is go to the edit environments. Okay, edit system environmental variables. Wait a minute. Environmental variables, search for the environment. Here you can get a edit system environmental variables. Okay, if your system contains any other version of Java also, if your previously your system contains any other versions of Java also, do like that. Go to the edit system environmental variables. How many times? Okay, in this you can click the environmental variables. Go to the system variables, not user variables for Lenovo or based on your computer. JDK 11 under the home bin and all the things. What I do now is I'll remove this one. Click on the edit. I'll delete it. Okay, I'll delete that and click on OK. Click on OK. Okay, and now I can check my system contains JDK or not. Java space hyphen version. Okay, still I have that, but I'll tell the process to it, how to download it. Normally in before I send it in your WhatsApp group. For that how to download that JDK 11, the file drive link. Here I can also send today also, and also I'll place it in the below of the YouTube video. This you can access that. I have, if you go through that link, It is the link I am share it to you. If you direct in the link, you can getting like this. Click on the download. Click on the download. If you click on the shareable link, it will open like this. Click on the download. Network issue due to that. Okay, you are offline. Okay. In this, wait a minute. I'll do one thing. I'll go with this link. You can get the option of download. Click on the download. Download anyway. Okay, it will start downloading here. Okay, takes a lot of time. I'll do one thing. Already, normally like that, you can getting that. Already, I have a download exe file. Okay, wait. Because in the still downloading, I have already downloaded. It will download to you. If your net was good, it will download to you. Can go like I am pasted here a Windows link. Right. Normally, it will download like this. It will download like this. Uh, Double click on it. Click on yes. I'll do one thing. Already I have that file. So go to the C drive. Where it is programming files. Wait for download it. 1 minute left. Okay. Okay. Like this, it will download. Double click on it, or else wait for it. 70 seconds more. Na? Wait for it. Okay, right. It will downloaded. Wait a minute. Okay. It will download it, right? Double click on this exe file. After downloaded, click on yes. Okay. Wait a minute. Remove this thing. When multiple programs you have tried to run, like double clicks a lot, also it will close. Preparing to install, right? You can get like this. Click on next, next. Okay. After double click on this, you have to click next, 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 like that, and try to click in the final finish. If you observe here, if I try to fetch java space hyphen version, it will not show any java 11 and all. Why? Because I deleted the java entire thing. Now I am trying to install it, and I have to show the update, right? If you coming like this, your java will 11 will be installed and close. Now what you have to do is open the file folder, go to the C drive. Normally go to the C drive. In that, go to that programming files. In that, you can observe one folder java. Here you are observe JDK 11, right? JDK 11, and click on the bin. Now copy this, Control C, and again what you have to do is go to the environmental variables. After copying the path, go to the edit system environmental variables. Wait a minute, little bit slow. Right, click on this path in the environmental variables. Click on this path. Wait a minute. Click on environmental variables. Click on here. Where is the path? Click on path, not path text, path. Click on edit. Click on new. Control V. And suppose if you have the different versions also, it will override. For that, what you have to do is click on move up, move up, move up. Place it at the top. Okay, and click on OK, OK, and OK. Again, open the CMD. Java space hyphen version. Right, I'm getting the Java 11 0.15.1, Java 11.0.15.1. This is what we can get. and that is the way you can install your JDK. Suppose if I go to my folder, if I go to my folder up, normally if you observe JDK, okay, inside the JDK I have normally JRE, and the JRE inside that we have JVM, but we are downloading the JDK at final, right? It is the thing. And suppose we want to run a program like that, how can I run? Suppose the simple program, this is the one, right? Control C, dot println colon. How can you run uh, all files? And I'll try to write as a basic Java. Basic Java dot Java. Dot Java is the extension to save that, right? And I'll open that folder. Where is that for file? Where mesh file store? Go to the file location, and how can I run that, right? Document. It will source as a document. Okay. Do one thing. Basically, Control C, Control V, and I'll go with this one, and save as a. Where can I save? Desktop. In the desktop, normally I can save. Mm, I can save it as a Java 1 dot Java all files. Place better if you have to place this in a double quotes. Why? Because if suppose you are, it will take it as a text na, because of that. Save, and I can open. Go to the CMD in my desktop. My Java 1. It is my Java 1, and source will be the Java file. Here what I have to do is click on the CMD. Okay, open here CMD. Go to the Java C. My name is Java 1 dot Java. What this statement do is compile your Java file. Do one thing. CD space Java 1. Okay, this is the error actually. Java C, in the line 4 I am getting an error. Actually it was in the this file line 4. Okay, I'm not maintaining the syntax. Control S, and again try to run this. Okay, this is compilation. If compilation without an error, it will comes like this. After that, go with the Java space Java 1. Class path test is not imported package. Class not found exception. Okay, public class test public static void main string of args system dot out dot println. Control S. Okay, if you observe here, first we have to focus on it will convert it to the class file or not. If you observe, it will convert it to as a test.class. Normally, the problem here is the class name and the file name should be the same. The class name and the file name should be the same. Because of that, we are getting it. I have to convert this to the Java 1. Okay, Java 1. Now it will find. Always your class name and the file name should be same. Okay, Java C, Java 1 dot, right? Now Java space Java 1 dot Java. It will not save. Okay, once I'll try Java space test. Hello. Normally it will not save that Java 1 file because of that. In place of this I can save it as a test, right? The test class will be the execute here. Normally you have to place this class name and the file name should be the same and use the same command public Java C it for the compilation, it for the running of your file. Okay, that is the thing. Class not found, class path Java. Hello, Java 1. Like this you have to write Java space Java 1. Not dot Java is not required. Like this. First is for compilation, after it is for the run your bytecode, right? And this is the thing. And normally we have to run it is with a notepad and the command prompt, but we are using the IDEs for that to running Eclipse or IntelliJ or VS Code. But here we are prefer with the Eclipse. We are go with the Eclipse download and try to install Eclipse and go with the Java programming and all. Why? Because it is a very difficult to always you have to use the command Java C and run the program and all, right. Instead of that, you can directly use the IDEs. IDE means integrated development environment. One environment will be developed based on that. You have to be integrated. We'll see that tomorrow. Okay. Normally, these classes recording will be available in the your available in your uh, YouTube channel. I'll send that in your WhatsApp group. You can access there. Okay, right. Thank you. This one time you can revisit how to install the JDK 11 and how to set the path. Then you can search it in that. Okay, right. Hmm. In this meeting, who are there? You are try to respond for the attendance. Okay. I hope you all know you have to pay registration fee of 1,000 rupees, right? Uh, you can pay it by the to number who are attending in the online. You can just ping me a message. I can send the number. You can payment to that and send me a screenshot. who are attending in the offline, you can approach me. I'll tell that number, you can pay to that 1,000 rupees of cash to that, right? And I hope you are visible my screen. Normally we are posting the attendance here and also assignments here. You can check the assignments by login to your dashboards, and who are registered only they can access it. Try to register it as soon as possible, okay? And you have to submit your assignments details also, okay? I'll place the assignment there. Java introduction. Tomorrow we'll go with the Eclipse installation and the running some programs, right? And Sankit Koniche, Sanket Raj Koniche. If you are in the call, you can unmute yourself and tell me. Sanket Koniche, Nagarjuna, Jagan Mohan Reddy, Anil Kumar Reddy, Sumant, Divya, Divya, Yal Divya, Rami Reddy, Gorantla Srikanth, Avinash Reddy, Avinash Reddy, Sai Lakshmi, Sai Lakshmi. Who is Sai Lakshmi? Hmm? Ah, your name's till it not in this, right? So we can attend this after the you are enrolled into the portal. Okay, right. It is the thing. You can leave the call, and you have to remember the thing. Tomorrow onwards, you have to be attend 9:30 at the communication class, 11:30 this one, and I'll share the YouTube link where the recording classes will be available. And one thing is the payment. Who are attending in the online, just ping me. I can send the number. Who are attending in the online offline, you can approach me. Right? Thank you. You can leave. If you have any doubts, you can approach. యూ రేజ్ లాగిన్ రిక్వెస్ట్ రైట్ లాగిన్ రిక్వెస్ట్ పెట్టావు కదా లాగిన్ రిక్వెస్ట్ పెట్టావు కదా అది నిఖిల్ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తాంటే దాని తర్వాత దాని తర్వాత నీకు డాక్యుమెంట్స్ అప్లోడ్ చేయడం వస్తుంది అన్నీ అయిపోతే డాష్ బోర్డ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది అది అయిపోతే దాంట్లో రేపు వచ్చినప్పుడు చెప్తాను వెళ్ళచ్చు యూ కెన్
December batch, when you start the activities today,
యా మ్యామ్
you have the Google Sheet.
ఐ హావ్
Okay. Once you prepare, just ping me and take that notes. Okay.
Okay.
And ask them to give them some task or something and let them come to office post. They have to come, sit in the office and do some tasks. This is Venu's instruction, so they have to be every trainee should be in office before the class. Okay. Let them go for lunch after your class. Ask them to come at any one time. Give them some task for them to sit and practice. Okay. And I want both attendance. Approval and approval. Okay.
Okay, go to the next. I uploaded the assignment also. You can check it and complete that assignment. Okay. చేయండి క్లాస్ ఒకటేసారి ఉంది 1.5 hour. ఓకే
ఇప్పుడు అందరూ ఎలా వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు మధ్యాహ్నం నుంచి ఉండాలా?
ఉండాలి అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకున్నాం కదా చేస్తావా This is the number 955 01 61 893. Hmm. Pay the 1,000 rupees and send screenshot to me. Not in the system where it is part. Go to the system. I think already we have JDK 24, right? But I copied this and I've changed what you said. Okay, okay, that's not an issue. But in version it is still showing 20. That's not an issue. Go to the path. Click on new. I've added. Where it is? Where is the 11? You already copied the path. Click on new. And click on new. Okay. Hmm? ఏది నాకు పేరు పెట్టి విష్ణు విష్ణు అని చెప్పిందా సార్ నేను చెప్పింది అదే కదా
జీవన్ ఇంటి పేరు ఫుల్ నేమ్ కావాలన్నా జీవన్ ఇందాక వచ్చాను జీవన్
ఎందుకు
మేడం అడిగారు మళ్ళీ
ఐ టు డోంట్ నోనా చెక్ చేయాలి ఒక్క నిమిషం చేస్తా Still it is showing version 24. Do one thing, remove the 24 file. That means go to the environmental variables now. One question, bro. What does it mean? There will be no much difference. Hmm? What will be the difference for JDK 11, Java 11? When you are moving to the AEM, na? It is fully AEM is developed on Java 11. Java 11 so because of this. If you use JDK 24 or 11 in the Java programming, it will not be affect. But when you move to the AEM, it will be affect. JDK 24 not support for the AEM. But if I still learning Java, it's fine. You can use it. It's not an issue. Right. And go to the path. One thing is the Java home and all. Remove this. Okay. Second. This one. Delete. Click on delete. Okay. Click on OK. Remove the CDA. That means close it. And again OK. You are asking that, right? Hmm? Hmm. G1, you are asking about G1, right? G1 not registered yet, I think. Please tell me your phone number. 720. I think yesterday I put in 720 75 375 4 9. You are not in the WhatsApp group? Yeah, I am in the 720 75 375 4. 720 75 375 4. Is it coming? You are searching the AM training. I think J1 not registered yet, ma'am.